Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to tweet on Twitter. First, open the Twitter application or website and ensure you are logged into your account. Look for the prominent What's Happening box, usually at the top of your feed, or the blue plus button on mobile. This is your starting point for crafting a new message to share with your followers. It's super easy to find. Now type your message into the composition box. You have a limit of 280 characters, so be concise and impactful. To make your tweet discoverable, include relevant hashtags by typing the pound symbol followed by your keyword. If you want to include another user, simply type the @ symbol followed by their username. This helps them see your message. To make your tweet more engaging, you can easily add media. Click the media icon to upload photos, videos, or GIF from your device. You can also create a poll to get feedback from your followers, offering up to 4 choices. If you'd like, you can even add your current location to your tweet. These options help your message stand out. Before you send your tweet, take a moment to review it for any errors or typos. Once you're happy with your message and any attached media, simply click the blue tweet button. Your message will then be published and appear on your profile, as well as in the feeds of your followers. Congratulations, you've just sent a tweet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.